Hello everyone, welcome to the Villa Chefs. The dish for today is a one-pot Hong Kong style baked pork chop and rice. So let's get started. Use a knife and cut through the fat lining of the chops. Then, using a mallet, lightly pound the chops on either side. Marinate the chops in soya sauce, crushed garlic, ginger, and rice wine. Add cornflour to seal in the moisture and mix well. Add salt to taste. Cover and marinate for 2 hours or overnight in the fridge if you have the time. Ensure the chops are at room temperature for at least half an hour before cooking. Add oil in a pan or a Dutch oven. Fry the chops 3 to 4 minutes each side. Add 1 cup of water, cover and cook for about 20 minutes till the chops are well done and water is absorbed. Keep checking in between and add more hot water if required till the chops are cooked well. I will be using the same Dutch oven to prepare the rice also. Add oil into the Dutch oven. Then add the beaten egg and cook till the eggs are 70% done. Then add the cooked rice into the egg mixture. Mix well. Season with chicken stock powder and soya sauce. Finally, add the pepper powder and salt to taste. The rice is ready. Now for the sauce. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan on medium-high flame. Fry the sliced button mushrooms on both sides. Once done, remove and keep aside. Add oil again to the same pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic and fry for a few minutes. Now, add the sliced onion and cook till translucent. Stir in the tomato paste, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, salt and sugar, and mix well. Pour 1 cup of water, cover, and cook for 10 minutes or till the oil separates out. Next, add the cornstarch dissolved in a little water and cook till a saucy consistency is reached. Add the button mushrooms into the saucy mixture and mix well. Next, add the tomato wedges. Adjust the salt if required. Increase the flame and bring to a boil and cook covered for 5 minutes. The dish now is ready to be assembled. Layer the rice at the bottom of the greased baking dish or the Dutch oven. Place the pork chops over the rice and pour the sauce over it. Cover all the exposed surfaces with the sauce. And top it up with shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover with foil and bake at 200 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes, increasing the temperature to 220 degrees centigrade for the last 5 minutes to lightly brown the cheese. Garnish with chopped spring onion, and the baked pork chop rice Hong Kong style is ready to be served. You can find the full list of ingredients and the method in the description box below. Do like and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more interesting recipes from around the world. The Villa Chefs signing out.